In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can copy Twitter profile links on mobile. So this process is very straightforward and simple. All you need to do is open up Twitter. So there it is on my phone. I'll open up Twitter. Then you want to find the profile where you want to copy the link from. So as an example, I'll just tap on this profile right at the top. That will take me to that specific user's profile. Then what you want to do is you can see three vertical dots at the top right hand corner. Tap on those three dots and then you'll see a share button right at the top. Tap on the share button and then all you want to do is tap on this button that says copy URL right over there. Very straightforward and simple. I'm going to tap on copy URL. It says now copied to clipboard. So if I want to, I can go out of Twitter, open up a web browser, and I can paste in the link. So I'll tap on paste. There's the Twitter link. I'll tap on go, and that should open up that user's profile. And there you go. And then you can also send that to people in WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and things like that. So that is the process. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.